What's gooding to YouTube? It's your boy Keenan2 Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. In this video, I just wanted to reflect on some birthday goals I have. I don't know why I'm calling it birthday goals, but it was just my birthday, so I'm reflecting on some goals that I have in mind this year. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. Number one, okay, I just want to start off by saying, I know you shouldn't put your goals out on the internet and shit, whatever. I don't really give a fuck. Because I feel like if you have such certainty about something in the world, you have so much belief in yourself, it doesn't really fucking matter what the stigma is of, oh, grind in silence, don't let anybody know what you're doing. Shut the fuck up, bro. If you know you're grinding, if you know you're putting in the work, this type of shit doesn't fucking matter. So I just wanted to start off, number one, I want to get funded this year. I don't think that should be a secret. What the fuck? Everyone wants to be funded, right? I want to get funded. By the time I'm 20 years old, I just turned 19. This is fucking weird to say, cause I don't know, I'm growing up, right? But by the time I'm 20 years old, I am going to have at least 50,000 in payouts. At least. That's just like my the lowest number I could come up with in my head, but I really want to make you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say the number, but I really want to make a large sum of money. But 50K is what I'm aiming for, and solely through trading. I'm not gonna be charging fucking signal groups, this and that, Discord groups, whatever. I want it to be solely through trading. I want to be through my hard-earned effort. And yeah, number two would probably be my physical. I'm going to get in really nice shape. I'm not gonna show my body on fucking YouTube because that's just weird, but yeah, like, this is my biggest goal: get funded and really truly master my emotions. And I know I can't master them. I'm not gonna be able to master them in the course of a year, because obviously this takes a very long time to master, quote unquote. But I want to get a lot better with it. I want to get a lot better with my emotions during trading. I want to be able to, and I already am, right? I'm working currently towards those goals, and it's working. So these goals are progressing. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like you just have to have the mindset of, fuck everything else. I am going to put every single minute of my time, maybe not literally, but you know what I'm saying, spend a large amount of time of your day thinking about these goals and actively doing something to achieve them. I feel like, especially me, in the past, I've usually just sat on my ass, thought about these goals, and thought they were gonna fucking manifest themselves in front of me. That's bullshit. You have to put in the work. And it took me a very long time to understand that. But here I am, and I'm not perfect. I'm not good at what I do yet. I am you know what I'm saying? I'm So I'm just trying to get better, be better. You feel me? I feel like that should be everyone's goals, just to be better at whatever you're trying to do, and actually have a direction where you want to go. Because if you don't have direction, and this is funny because it applies to trading as well, like technical stuff. If you don't have a direction of where you think price is going to go, of where you think your life is going to go, or where you want your life to go, you don't know what you're doing. You're gonna get stuck in the sauce. You're gonna get lost. You're gonna drown. You have to have a goal. You have to have some sort of goal setting, some sort of thing that you want to achieve. I call that purpose, or at least it's a start of purpose. Once you start to understand where you want to go, life takes you into some weird direction. I don't know what you call that, but you start to understand like what it is you want to do. You really start to understand, like, why do I want to do this? Very, very short goals, very large goals, but very short. You know what I'm saying? Like, we have to have a large vision, but we have to stay focused, narrow goals. See how my only two goals right now are getting in shape, very good physical shape, and getting funded and getting payouts, having 50K by the time I'm 20. And that's very fucking doable with trading. I'm really lowballing myself with 50K, but with implementing the strategies that you've learned, Keenan, you can do way more than 50K. And you have to prove that to yourself. You can do this shit. I'm specifically talking to you. You can do this shit and way more. It's just anything. I was sitting on a bench the other day, and written on it said, fears are just limitations. If you're fearing of making 50K, that's a limitation, bro. What the fuck? Why would you fear that? Be excited for that shit. Why would you fear making 100K? Now, the real answer to that is because you've never seen 100K before. You've never touched 100K before. You've never fathomed having 100K actually in the bank, really in the bank. Of course you think about making millions of dollars, but you never actively think of what it feels like to have 100K in the bank. So you have to stop having these fucking limits, these limiting beliefs that you can't do things because you can. As long as you don't stop, you will achieve greatness. You will achieve everything you fucking want as long as you don't stop. So I hope you enjoyed the message of today, and peace out, man. What's good, ATN YouTube? It's your boy Keenan 2 Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. And in this video, first of all, I hope y'all are doing well. And in this video, I just wanna, first of all, second of all, I have a live trade I want to show you guys because I took this morning, that I want to show you guys. So I'll insert those clips right here. Alright, so I'm currently waiting for TP to get hit. I'm looking for it to grab these lows under here because it already took out these lows. Now I'm waiting for it to take out these lows if it does. And this is mainly because I'm bearish on Nas anyways. So yeah, let's see if we get a push or not. But I'm up around 1% right now. So let's go. Alright, so here's the trade. I just closed it because I didn't want to sit through all this, and it's probably gonna hit the liquidity right now. But yeah, that's basically the trade. Quick breakdown. I saw this liquidity get taken, and we were overall pretty bearish on the lower time frame just because look at this structure. We have accumulation right here, manipulation, and then I'm expecting distribution to the downside. And since we had also this liquidity right here, that was just beautiful, you feel me? And this is final take profit getting hit right there, 75 points, almost 75 points. But yeah, man, I closed around 1 to 2.25, so it's a W trade for the day. Let's go to the history real quick. That's on this account right here. So I'm only down like 2% right now, so that's cool. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next trade. But other than that, I hope y'all have a great day. And I think this is gonna be the same video as the one I recorded yesterday, talking about my birthday goals and shit. So whatever. Yeah, this video is probably gonna be super long, but here's the end of the video anyways. So I hope you have a good day, and peace out, man.